Hi guys, it's Molly from Nookal. You may already be familiar with our birthday report within Nookal, but did you know that you can use this report for purposes other than just tracking your clients' birthdays? Today I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can utilise and get the most out of our birthday report. The birthday report is located under Reports, Marketing, Birthdays. And of course, you can use this report to locate clients who have a birthday in a particular month or date range. Another way that you might like to use the birthday report is to obtain a list of active clients who have been seen in a specific period of time. For example, you may be looking for a list of clients who have attended the clinic in the last 6 months. All you'll need to do is set the birth date range to cover all the days of the year, so from the 1st of January to the 31st of December. Select all locations, ages, genders, and then importantly, we can select what time frame they were seen within. This will allow you to create a list of clients who have actively attended the clinic in that time period. The next trick that I'll share with you is particularly useful for clinics who might have a wait list or who are regularly receiving client referrals prior to the client booking and attending an appointment. You may be looking for that list of clients who are in the system but never been seen. Again, we'll set the date range to capture all birth dates, select all locations, all ages, and all genders. This time though, we will select the No Completed Appointments option. This will pull through all those clients with a profile with no completed appointments. Keep in mind, this will also include clients who have their first booking in the future or clients who have previously cancelled their initial appointment. Finally, you can also use this report to track various age demographics within your clinic. By changing the age range, you can obtain a list of clients within different age brackets, including, for example, those who are under 16. Our birthday report is versatile and allows you to obtain client lists for a wide range of purposes, saving you time and energy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you press the like button. This helps us to know what topics you want to see more of. And if you'd like to see more content like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.